Welcome guys. On today's video I'm going to show you how to convert an image to a text, and I already have the website open. You can see jpeg.txt, and then if it doesn't work, we are going to make use of AI. I am positive that this might not work accurately because I already tested it before now. So I'm going to go over to the image area. These are the images I want to convert. This is the first one, not very clear, but you do not have any issue. And then this is the remaining two. You can also see how it is, but I think I'm going to edit this a little to crop out some parts, and you guys should watch very close. So I just want to cut out the top and the bottom area. It wasn't moving the way I want. I think this is okay right here, and then save it. Yeah, I think I'm good with that. So I'm going to convert these two into an image. So the first place I actually go to is option to upload the image. These are the two images. I select the two of them and then do open. This is going to start compressing, and then I'm going to do extract. So while that is going on, let's go over to the AI area and then do the same thing. Add to image, open, and then convert image to text. Right, once you're done, or you send it, but the image is still uploading, so it's going to take a while. Once that is complete, okay, it has completed, and then I'm going to send it. So now after I've sent it, this is, you can see right here it's processing, and you can also come right here to see this image has completed. The second one also completed. I am actually surprised it was able to get this, but then it started the image with AA stuff. Now if you have any document editor, you should open that up. I'm going to open this rich document editor. Wait for it, is loading up. This is actually the first time I'm loading it up. Copy out all the text. I am doing this so that you guys should be able to see the text. It's still loading. I don't know why it's still. Hold on. No, it opened the document folder instead of doc. Okay. I've not used this document on this device before, so let me just use test. Okay, this is exactly what I was looking for, the WordPad. I typed document instead of WordPad, so I just paste everything, and this is not exactly accurate. Now, why do I say it's not exactly accurate? Because you can clearly see from our image right here, this image, it added this our hero. You can notice our hero, then it started with FO and then parasite. So it's not supposed to be so. This is our hero, and then this is an image. I don't know where he got the FO, and then this is parasite. There is 28 here, there is also a date here, and then it started with parasite. So this is not exactly accurate. It's not exactly how it should be. It should be like this, and then you can see all of this are not really accurate. So imagine if I pull this out, everybody is not going to understand what I am doing. So now, how about the second text it converted? Let me see. Copy, paste it on my test document. Yeah, this is a little bit good, but it's not, because it keeps jumping all of this. So this is trust at home. Yes, it's correct. And also, these words are together. This is test. So it is not exactly accurate. Now let's go to the AI. So this is the AI. You can see the AI brought everything out. Let's copy it. Go over here, paste it. Almost the same, but this is better. No, this is not almost the same. This is totally different. This is very accurate. This is exactly what I wrote. Not exactly though. I think I'm looking at the image. Yes, this is perfect. This is exactly what I wrote. Imagine I did not even know I wrote the method without adding anything next to it. So this is exactly what I wrote on the book, and you can also see that right here. this is exactly what I wrote, but because my camera is not too sharp, so you cannot see that perfectly well. So this is accurate, so I will urge you guys to make use of the AI while doing this. And then this one also is also accurate. You can see the date appeared, parasitology, and then okay, he missed the 28 that was there, 24 that was there. That is the only thing he missed, but apart from that, everything is perfect. So which 24 am I talking about? This particular 24 right here. There is 24 right on this area, this one 24, and then this ones, and then this one. But guys, I said perfect, but I wouldn't say perfect. I would prefer, if you guys are doing this, you should read it and then make some edit, because this says that lives in or on the body of another organism. So you should pay attention to the image also, if it's accurate or if it's exactly what he's writing. So you should also do some little editing to actually conclude your word. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope it's helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.